Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. The previous tutorial we did the here on our knees um in the C shape. That was with the couple still on the second fret, giving us key D. Yeah, D. So this time you're going to use G shape. So if we move 2 steps, you're going to A. So we are going to use the same progression. So if you understand how to translate the C chord progression into your your G shape, it will be easy. This is actually going to help people who may not have benefited from my tutorials from how to play in any key shape. So just the same way we were playing with lifted hands, F, D minor, A minor, G, C. So this one, with lifted hands, then so G with letter C, A minor, that's the 2 for G. We were E minor, then D, G. So I think to better understand how to translate them, maybe you can take a notebook and write down the differences between the two. So when you play C, the number 1 for C shape is G. The 4, that's the F in C, is C. Then the others, yeah, you can go around it. With lifted hands, we will shape you. With lifted hands, we will shape you. So let's take it again. G. With lifted C, A minor, E minor, we will D shape you. Let's take it again. With lifted hands, C, A minor, E minor, then D, C, G. So we go the D. We bow before you, G. Let's go back to D. We honor you with lifted hands. We will shape you. We bow before you. We honor you with lifted hands. We will shape you. So that we bow before you, just like we did in the C shape. D, bow before G. Go back to D. We honor G with letter C. A minor, E minor, D, G. Yeah, I hope this tutorial is very helpful, and don't forget to give it a like, comment in the section if you want any clarification, or maybe there's something you want to clarify, maybe you want to add something to what I've said. Thank you. Don't forget to subscribe. If you're new to this channel, consider subscribing. Thank you. See you next time. We bow before you. We honor you. We're on our knees. We worship.